The Lord be with you.
And with your spirit.
A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Luke.
Glory to you, O Lord.
The shepherds went in haste to Bethlehem and found Mary and Joseph, an infant lying in the manger. When they saw this, they made known the message that had been told them about this child. All who heard it were amazed by what had been told them by the shepherds. And Mary kept all these things, reflecting on them in her heart. Then the shepherds returned, glorifying and praising God for all they had heard and seen, just as it had been told them. When the 8 days were completed for his circumcision, he was named Jesus, the name given him by the angel before he was conceived in the womb. The Gospel of the Lord.
Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ.
Sa araw pong ito, unang araw ng 2021, mayroong pastoral letter yung Archbishop ng Lingayen, Dagupan na dapat basahin sa homily. Huwag niyo na lang ho akong isusumbong sa Archbishop, pero hindi ko babasahin. Kasi alam ko naman ho yung nilalaman. Sabi po sa Gospel, Mary treasured all these things in her heart. Sa unang araw ng 2021, yun po ang panawagan sa atin. Ang assurance ng Panginoon, hindi ko kayo iiwanan. Pero ang hiling ng Panginoon, hindi niyo ko iiwanan, hindi kita iiwanan, pero alagaan mo ako sa iyong kalooban. So it is a mutual commitment. You keep me in your heart, I will take care of you with my heart. It is a mutual covenant. It is a mutual promise. If the Lord commits to take care of us, we must also commit to keep the Lord in our hearts. So what should we keep in our hearts? 3 things. In the words of Pope John Paul II, now St. John Paul II, he said, about the past, gratitude. About the present, enthusiasm. About the future, confidence. Gratitude for the past, enthusiasm for today, and confidence about the future. So gratitude for the year 2021. Why? Because on April 14, 2021, we are going to celebrate the first Easter Mass ever celebrated in these islands 500 years ago. 500 taon na po. On Easter Sunday this year, we will remember the first Easter Mass in our country. And not only that, we will also remember the first man and woman ever baptized in the Philippines, who were named Carlos and Juana. They were named Juana and Carlos, baptized in the same church that we belong to now. Para bagang tayo ay nakatuntong sa kanilang balikat, kaya matangkad tayo ngayon, sapagkat nagmagandang loob ang dalawang kababayan natin upang tanggapin ang pananampalatayang Katoliko. So the year 2021 will be 500th anniversary. At sa loob ng 500th anniversary natin, anong nangyari? Noong 1579 ay ginawa ang Diocese of Manila. Yun ho ay buong Pilipinas. At noong 1695 ay ginawa ang Diocese, 1595, ginawa ang Diocese of Nueva Segovia. Bakit mahalaga ang Nueva Segovia? Yun po ay nasa Vigan, sapagkat ang Nueva Segovia ang nanay ng Diocese of Lingayen. Ang Diocese of Lingayen ay ginawa noong 1928. At itong Diocese of Lingayen na kasama natin ngayon ay napakalawak kasi marami na po siyang anak. Ang unang anak ng Diocese of Lingayen ay Diocese of Iba. At pagkatapos noon, ipinanganak ang Diocese of Cabanatuan. At pagkatapos noon, ang Diocese of Cabanatuan ay nanganak ng Diocese of San Jose. At mula sa Diocese of Lingayen, naroon din ipinanganak yung Diocese of Urdaneta at Diocese of Alaminos. Ang buong Lingayen po kasama ang Zambales, Pangasinan at Nueva Ecija. At ngayon, tayo ay Archdiocese of Lingayen-Dagupan. Sa loob ng 500 years, tayo ay ipinanganak bilang Katolikong pamayanang Kristiyano. Gratitude. Gratitude for our first Bishop, Cesar Maria Guerrero. Kung hindi po ninyo alam, panglimang obispo lamang po ako ng Lingayen-Dagupan. Ang ating unang obispo ay Obispo Cesar Maria Guerrero. Gratitude. For the present, enthusiasm. Bakit natin kailangan ng enthusiasm? Sapagkat yung year 2020 ay naging napakabigat na taon para sa atin. We need enthusiasm because that is the antidote to our confusion, to our anxiety, to our boredom, to our depression, to our loneliness because of COVID. Mahirap yung pinagdaanan natin ng 2020. In the midst of confusion, the Lord offers enthusiasm. In the midst of fear, anxiety about getting sick and dying, the Lord offers enthusiasm. In the midst of our poverty, the Lord offers enthusiasm. The Lord offers enthusiasm for the present. An enthusiasm that does not come only from willpower. Enthusiasm that does not come only from positive thinking. Enthusiasm which is a gift of the Lord, which is the gift of hope. Ang hope ay galing sa Panginoon. Hindi lang basta attitude. Hindi lang basta positive thinking. We live the present with enthusiasm because our hope is in the Lord. Gratitude for the first Easter Mass. Gratitude for the first baptism. Gratitude for the creation of the Diocese of Lingayen. And then, enthusiasm. Sa kabila ng ating pinagdadaanan, iisa lang ang sabi ng Panginoon, hindi ko kayo iiwanan. Jesus. The name Jesus means God saves. I will save you. You might not believe it that I am around, but trust me, I am saving you now, and I will save you as I have always saved you in the past. And then, ang pangatlo po ay confidence. Pagkatapos ng 2021, ano na po ang naghihintay sa atin? Ang big event para sa Archdiocese of Lingayen-Dagupan ay 2028. Ano po yon? 100 years na ang ating diocese. Centennial, napakalaking piyesta para sa atin. 2028, hindi lang matatapos ang Jubilee ng 2021. Hintayin po natin ang 2028, bawal mamatay. Hanggang hindi umaabot sa 2028, hihintayin natin ito sa pagdiriwang natin yung 100 taon ng Diocese of Lingayen na ngayon ay Archdiocese of Lingayen-Dagupan. We look forward with confidence. Aabutin ko to. Huwag ho ninyong sasabihin matanda na ako, hindi tayo aabot. Huwag ninyong sasabihin may sakit ako, hindi ako aabot. Stay confident. Trust in the Lord. Say, Jesus, I trust in your love. Say, Jesus, I trust in your mercy. And if you trust in the Lord and carry Him in your heart, the Lord promises you, I am Jesus. I will save you. The year 2021 ay dagdag pang sinabi ni Pope Francis, Year of Saint Joseph. Saint Joseph protected the Virgin. Saint Joseph protected the child. Saint Joseph will protect us. We might not be virgins like the Virgin Mary. We might not be children like the infant in the manger. But Saint Joseph embraces all of us and says, I took care of Jesus, I took care of Mary, I will take care of you if you give me a chance. Of the past, we say thank you. Of the present, we say, I hope. Of the future, we say, I trust. 2021 will always be a good year because it is the year of the Lord.